Cause Joe will teach him how to do jerk wings. Jerk chicken style jerk wings, you know the thing go. Teach him from him young, you see me? Yeah, good job, Jay. Just stop them neatly. Good job. Thing well seasoned. Proper way. You want to paint brush to paint them on? Use the seasoning. Paint it on the chicken.